Microsoft Edge won't open in Windows 11 Fix. So Microsoft Edge is a browser that is automatically pre-installed whenever you install your Windows, and for some reason if it is not opening up, even if you see the taskbar and then you're sure that you have installed the app, it could be because this app is already currently running in the background. So what you can try to do is from your task manager, so right click on it and go to task manager. Here you'll find the Edge application, which is your browser. Now sometimes if not under apps, you'll find it under background processes. Just look for Microsoft Edge, right click on it and then click on the end task option. The end task option over there. Now you can just try to open up Microsoft Edge again and see if that actually helps you, but this time it should definitely open up. The only reason these browsers don't open is because they are still running somewhere in the background, so you have to close them from the background and reopen it again. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.